Hello everybody. I just thought I would check in with you to see how you're doing on week 2 of shelter in place. I think we're all getting a little frustrated. We're looking forward to getting our hair done, our nails done. We're starting to run out of things at home. We're missing our Epicenter Med Spa beauty treatments. And so I just thought I'd share an experience that I had and something that I managed to come up with that I thought you might find helpful. So last week when everything was shutting down, I was so busy, with work that I ran out of my foundation. And of course the department stores are closed and Amazon, the next delivery date is 2-3 weeks from now. So I ran out of my favorite foundation that I've been using for years and years and years, and was basically stuck and didn't know what to do. So I thought, well, we're gonna have to be creative in this time. And I took my favorite moisturizer and my favorite sunblock and came up with the most beautiful foundation that I don't know that I'm ever gonna go back to my Chanel foundation that I've been using for years and years and years. So I thought I'd give you a little demonstration of how I did it, and maybe you might wanna do the same. And I'd love to show you. Let's go see. Okay, so this is what I did. I took my favorite moisturizer, which is from SkinCeuticals. It's called Triple Lipid Restore, and it's just fabulous. As you get a little bit older, your skin is dry. I grew up in Arizona, so I had a lot of sun damage. So it took me years to find this, and this is my favorite moisturizer. So I took a little bit of my favorite moisturizer, and then I took my powdered sunblock. Maybe 12 years I've been using this sunblock. It's called Color Science, and it's a 50, and it's a physical block. And this company, they only use like natural ingredients, and it comes in a variety of different colors from light to dark. So, whether you're light skinned or dark skinned, you can pretty much color match with this. And it's a powder. So why I like this in the first place is because you can just put it over your eyelids, all over your lips, your ears, everywhere. And you throw it in your tennis bag or your purse or your car. And every couple hours you're supposed to reapply your sunblock, and this makes it super easy because you don't have to wash your hands or anything. And it kind of like freshens up your makeup a little bit. So what I did is, fortunately I have this color and I had all this at home, and I just took off the back of this because they used to make it for refills, they don't anymore. And I mixed it in a little bowl with my favorite moisturizer. And it took me, I started off with just a little bit of the sunblock because I didn't want it to be chalky. And then I added a little bit more as I wanted to get closer to my color. And I know this looks really dark, and you're thinking, oh my God, this is gonna be so dark. But surprisingly, when I went to put it on my skin, it was like the perfect match for my skin. And exactly because I use this color all the time. And this triple lipid moisturizer is so creamy and so delicious. Every morning when I put it on my skin, I get out of the shower and I can just hear my skin drinking it up. It's just amazing. So now I have this incredible foundation that moisturizes my skin, and that's a 50 block, and I don't know if I'm gonna go back to Saks. I tried to order my foundation on the website at Saks. They took my order. I'm still waiting to hear from them. It apparently was lost with FedEx. I'm not sure they even filled it. I've been waiting 10 days. So I resorted to this, and then I talked to Pernella Somerville, my everything, my director of PR, and she said the same thing, that she was running out. So I thought, I wonder if I can mix up some and send it to her. They make it in a darker color. I think it's called Deep. And you just mix it up, same thing. And Pernella is a skin type 5-6, which is a darker skin type. And as you can see, that color base. Our people with our patients with darker skin love this because this is me, and you can have even lighter if you're a skin type 2. And so I thought I'd just send this to her. Our website right now is, we sell products online, and it's becoming very helpful for our patients who can't come in, obviously, to replenish their product. And so if you're out, this is something that you might want to try. Really good for your skin, really healthy for your skin, and probably you have this in your home already. So stay tuned for more. So Pernilla is just arriving into work right now. So let's see what she thinks about this. Pernilla, come here.
Hey.
So I know you told me that you were running out of foundation, and don't be scared.
I did.
So I took my triple lipid, you know how I love this product, and my Color Science that I use all the time, all over. And same thing, I told you I ran out. So I made some for me, and I mixed up a batch for you. So I want to try this because I want to show our viewers. I'm not sure if this is the right color. It's very hard. You know, the lighter your skin, the easier it is to buy makeup. The darker your skin, it becomes a little bit more difficult because you don't want to end up looking ashy. So I think this might be a little light for Pernilla. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add just a little bit more powder to this and make it a little bit darker.
I always have that problem.
Do you? Yeah.
I do. It's really difficult to match my skin tone with different foundations. So, and I do typically need to mix.
Okay, so that's a little bit better. So let's put this on. And
so this looks like my Dior.
Oh, well, it's
so
probably
that
a fraction of the price.
It is.
And this is a 50 sun protection.
Love.
Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little bit of this powder back on top because that's what you would do with your face.
Right.
Okay, so now let me see your other hand.
Oh,
girl, you need to do a treatment for your hands.
I do. No, I actually do. It's awful.
So there you go.
So veiny.
Before, after.
This is fabulous. I really mean it. I'll do this.
So if you want these products, you can go to our website, www.skinrejuve, SKINREJUV.com. We're here filling orders every day for our patients.
And we're work quarantine partners, so we're in it together.
We're stuck with her.
We're stuck with each other. But we're here for you, first and foremost. So
give us a call if you have any questions.
Thanks, Sam. Love it.
Bye.